In this video, we take a short look at SAP EWM, WM, and STRM. In the area of warehousing, SAP offers different solutions with ECC and S/4HANA. While WM was still used with SAP ECC, S/4HANA now requires a switch to EWM or STRM. WM stands for Warehouse Management. It is a core module and a component of the Logistics Execution Area, also known as LE. It contains warehousing solutions in the form of a warehouse structure, as well as inventory management processes, goods receipts, and goods issues. The successor to SAP WM is SAP EWM, the Extended Warehouse Management. EWM has grown historically from experience with SAP WM and aims to achieve greater automation in the warehouse. Extended Warehouse Management could already be used as a decentralized system in combination with SAP ECC. With S/4HANA, it is now also possible to use the module as an embedded version on the same system as SAP WM. A basic version with basic functions is always included as standard. An advanced license model can be purchased to use the full range of functions. It is still possible to use the system non-centrally, but a switch to the HANA database is also required here. STRM stands for Stockroom Management. It is an alternative offer from SAP to continue using SAP WM instead of SAP EWM, with a smaller range of functions, or to upgrade with in-house developments. Fiori apps and further developments are not offered for SAP WM and STRM.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.